If you don't know what to cook, you have to make these tacos dorados con sopa de fideo. This recipe is so delicious. To start off, I'm gonna blend 6 garlic cloves and 1 cup of water. We're gonna add this mixture when we cook the chicken. My Dutch oven is set to medium-high heat with 7 cups of boiling water. Now we add the chicken, and I'm using 2 pounds of chicken thighs with bone. We add some salt, 2 bay leaves, and the mixture we just made. This is something that I learned from my mom so that the chicken flavor is not too strong. If you don't mind it, just skip this step. Cover and cook for 45 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. It's been 45 minutes and we're gonna remove the chicken and reserve the chicken broth for the soup. Once the chicken is shredded, we season with salt and pepper, mix and set aside. Now let's make the salsa for the soup. I'm using 3 roma tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, small piece of white onion, half of a jalapeño, and here I have half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 cup of water, and we blend. My pot is set to medium heat with some oil, and I'm gonna saute 1/4 of a white onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Saute for about a minute. Now we add the fideo. I'm using a 7-ounce bag. We fry until golden. It's been 3 minutes and this is how it should look. We add in the salsa and strain as we do so. Next, add in 5 cups of the reserved chicken broth, or you can also add water if you prefer. Give it a mix, and this is the perfect time to check for chicken bouillon. Add some cilantro, cover, and cook for about 12 to 14 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare the tacos. I've put the tortillas in the microwave for a few seconds so that they are soft and flexible and don't break while rolling. We add some of the chicken and Monterrey Jack cheese, or you can use the cheese of your choice. These are also good with queso fresco, queso panela. With this amount of chicken, I made about 20 taquitos. It's been 14 minutes, our soup is ready, and we set aside. Now in a pan set to medium heat with oil, we start frying. And we're gonna fry it for about 3 minutes per side or until golden. These are ready and I'm gonna take them out. We continue doing the same with the rest. Now I'm gonna serve myself some soup, add some taquitos, and top them off with some crema mexicana, salsa verde, queso fresco, aguacatito, fresh cilantro, a little bit of salsa macha. This is honestly the perfect comfort dish. My family loves it. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. This is so delicious, a very easy and quick meal. You can make these taquitos with panela, jalapeño. With the chicken, it has the protein. My boys love it. And there you have it, delicious taquitos de pollo con fideo. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.